how to fix Dreadmyst crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. And then in the general tab, in the launch options box, you want to type -dx11 and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is done, you can close out of Steam and then open up a browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table here and make sure to download the PC Redist 86 and 64 and install both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And after the restart, before launching the game, you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU update installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app from nvidia.com and then go to the drivers tab, and from here select game ready driver, check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. And once you're done, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Search for Steam and run as admin, right click run as admin, and then you can proceed to open up the game from your library, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.